Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is a high sugar diet strength training workout routine. So I'm just gonna hop on here and I have some clips from my workout today. Now my workouts are pretty simple. I strength train 2 to 3 days a week and I run 2 to 3 days a week. So this is an example of one of my strength training days. And what I did is I did 3 moves and I did 2 rounds. So the first move I did was pull-ups. As you can see here, I'm at the gym doing a set of pull-ups and I go until I just can't go anymore. So I go pretty hard on the set because I'm only doing 6 total sets for the workout. So my first move were these pull-ups. And then I take about 2 to 3 minutes in between each set so I have some recovery time. As you can see, I hang and I just do as many as I can until I can't do any more, and then I do a partial one, that's it. My second set for the day were these leg presses. Now, I generally don't use weights. I don't use weights for upper body. Sometimes I use weights on my lower body. So a lot of times I'll just do squats and lunges without weights and maybe jump squats, jumps, lunges, things like that. But for this particular workout, I did use some weights for my legs. So this was the second set that I did. And then as you're going to see in the third set, I did some Spider-Man push-ups. So these I just went until I didn't want to do any more. And then I went down to regular push-ups and I did as many as I could until I just couldn't do any more push-ups. So that was one round of the workout. And then what I did is I did one more round for a total of 6 sets. And in the second round, I started with chin-ups. So my next move was chin-ups instead of pull-ups, where I just did a grip a little bit differently. On the pull-up bar, I had the hands facing inwards instead of outwards. That way it kind of works my biceps a little more on that move. And then for the leg move, instead of the weighted leg press, I did some jump lunges. And then for the third move, instead of Spider-Man push-ups, with regular push-ups, I just did regular push-ups, and I just did as many as I could. So yeah, I go until failure because it's only 6 sets. So that was it. And again, I do that routine 2 to 3 days a week. And then I do a routine like that 2 to 3 days a week, and then I do 2 to 3 days a week of running. My runs are usually 3 to 5 miles. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below. I have some delicious recipes that I make regularly. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.